What is good, YouTube? It's your boy truly zGappie, and after 4 months of not posting a video, I'm finally back posting. Now, for my new viewers, they're wondering why I haven't been posting. Damn, it's already here now. I can't even talk. God damn. So the reason why I wasn't posting, as I said, for my new viewers, I got in a car accident about 4 months ago. Nah, about 3 months ago. 3 months ago. 4 months ago, whatever. Right? So my car been out of commission for the whole summer. I have not had my car for basically the whole summer. All the plans I wanted to do, lower it, put on new wheels and all that. Couldn't get to do that because I didn't have the car. From my returning subscribers and all my loyal ones, I got the car back for about like 3 going on 4 weeks now. I've been lazy to post this vid because I didn't want to post a vid and then not post something else. You feel me? So right now we about to head over to my spot. I got a little surprise for y'all too. I'm about to head over to my spot, show y'all what the car looked like after the repairs were done, 20K later. We're gonna head to the spot, then we're gonna give you a little talk after that. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned. So the side of the car that got hit was literally the passenger side. This whole from here all the way up to about right here was damaged, and then a little bit went up to the door, I think. Yeah, if you want to go look at it, the videos on it's probably the last video I posted, literally. So if you want to go check out the damage, you could. The front bumper is ripped off, got a new bumper on it. If y'all was asking, this sit like this how all Camry bumpers sit, so you ain't gotta worry about that. They did a pretty good job though, I ain't lying, man. They did a pretty good job. It damn near, it feels still the same. They replaced the door, painted it and everything. The paint actually matches up, and they're like, you can't even tell the car's been in an accident unless you pull up the VIN number. So for the majority of the part, that's what it was. That's how the car looking after they fixed it. They replaced the front windshield because it cracked, and like taking it out it broke, so they replaced that. For the most part, the car is back in good shape, man. So now for today's modification, you want to call it? Really modification. Today's cosmetic modification, if you want to say at it. So due to the winter coming up in a month and a half, I'm gonna work on the interior a little bit. Now the interior for the Camry is already pretty clean, but there's little small stuff you can do to make it better. You know what I mean? Paddle shifter covers, steering wheel, all that extra goody stuff. You feel me? So now today we have a DIY stitching steering wheel cover that I will be stitching on the car today. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna show y'all a picture right here. This is what it's supposed to look like when it's done. We're gonna see how it is. In the future, I will be buying a steering wheel. Like, yo, a steering wheel like $600 to $500. If I had to spend the money on that, might as well just put on the rims on the car at that point, because that's literally for how much it is for a brand new set of tires. So, but in the future, I will be getting a steering wheel, custom steering wheel, all that good stuff in the future. For right now, we're just gonna, you know what I mean, jump around, see what looks good, see what not. What happened if I like it? You know what I mean? If I like the DIY steering wheel, well, I think it's gonna look good. And if I do buy a custom, I can always have 2 steering wheels, flip and flop whenever I'm ready. You feel me? So that's today's video. So I'm gonna grab something to eat real quick, and then we gonna head to start stitching, boy. Yo, this is what the DIY steering stitch look like out of the packaging, whatever. It comes with a needle, comes with a thread, comes with everything you need. This little thing right here, so I can stick this part in place. I like the material out of it, man. The fake carbon fiber, you feel me? The fake carbon fiber, bruh, for the win. That's crazy. But I like the material of it. Seems pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this off, wipe the steering down with alcohol, clean the surface properly, and then I'm gonna use some 3M glue, spray on it, stick the steering wheel cover back on. So while it holds it in place, I'm gonna let it dry, so it got a firmer hold, and then I'm gonna stitch it in. I'm not about to sit here and stitch this whole thing on YouTube, bro. There's mad videos on it. I'm not about to be all that. So I'm gonna stitch it, and I'm gonna come back to y'all, man, when I'm done. You feel me? Let's get into it. So it's the next day. I got done stitching this thing late yesterday, and I'm looking at it right now, bro, and I'm like, yo, this is actually pretty clean, bro. Like in the daytime, because when I was done, it was nighttime, so it's like it was still showing. Damn, I got to clean off most of the glue. Some of the glue got on the fucking steering wheel cover. But anyways, it looks clean, and I'm gonna try to cue a little cinematic mode. I don't know how good I am at this, bro, but I'm gonna try to cue cinematic mode. I'm gonna stop talking to y'all. Fuck it, let's go. So this is a fidget product of the DIY steering wheel cover. Yo, I don't know how that cinematic was. I'm gonna have to, you know, I don't know. I think I did a pretty good job. I don't know. Let me know down below in the comments. But for the most part, this is a DIY steering wheel cover. I will be leaving the link in the description for anybody who wants it. Fake carbon fiber for the win, bro. The fake carbon fiber steering wheel cover for the win. Damn, I gotta clean out all this glue residue. But either way, I like it. I fucks with it, man. I'm gonna leave the link in the description that I said, man. So that's the end of today's video. Let me know how y'all like the steering wheel cover in the comment section down below. A lot more interior parts coming soon. Let me get this surgery out the way, bro, and then when I can walk again, I definitely got y'all. But more parts to come soon. We're gonna transform the whole interior for the winter since we didn't get to do the wheels and lower the car for the summer. So I appreciate all y'all for tuning in. Appreciate all the new subs and new viewers too. If you like the video, man, subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 400K. I said 400K, that's crazy. One day though, but we almost at 400 subs, bro. Appreciate y'all again, man. I'm out.
I just like the sound.